Hill City community members. In just a week's time, we have gone from celebrating our Lady Rangers qualifying for state basketball playoffs and a taste of spring to nothing but the coronavirus, toilet paper shortages, and what seems to be a shutdown of the entire world. As of today, there have been no cases of the coronavirus diagnosed in our town. And I want to talk about how we are coming together as a community to proactively handle this constantly evolving situation. We are in a preparedness phase and are taking steps to minimize the impact of this pandemic upon our daily lives. On Friday, I met with a group of city leaders that have influence and exposure to large portions of our community. Together, we discussed things that each of our organizations are doing to help prevent the spread of this virus and ways that we will work together to get through this time of uncertainty. As your mayor, I am committed to the health, safety, and welfare of all of our community members and will work to ensure that I provide accurate and effective communication to all of you. Our Hill City school system has been actively monitoring the situation for several weeks and has already put many virus prevention procedures in place, which include things such as additional cleanings and social distancing. Even though the school is currently not in session, their staff is working on online education and ensuring their facilities are safe and clean for future use. Churches, clubs, and organizations in our community are evaluating their schedules and practices and will individually make determinations on how they will handle their activities going forward. The Hill City Senior Center has suspended all of their activities through the end of March. Their office is open if anyone needs assistance. You may contact them at 574-3211. I have also been in contact with the Hill City Clinic. In the event you do not feel well, do not go into the office. Call the office first. The clinic will talk to you about your symptoms and then be able to help direct you to the appropriate place to receive treatment. Here at City Hall, we will be continuing to monitor the situation and focus on how the changes impact our community. We are prepared to continue to serve the needs of our community. We have a stock of chemicals and supplies to ensure that we are positioned to continue to operate our water and wastewater systems, plow snow, and process citizen requests. We would ask if you have any city business to conduct, you first contact us by telephone. Many questions and requests can be accommodated in this manner. By doing this, we protect not only the public, but our staff members as well. We have plans to continue our regularly scheduled meetings for the month of March and April and strongly suggest that all meeting participants use our dial-in service. This is recommended for our council members, commission members, and general public. Information on how to utilize this service may be found on our posted agendas at hillcitysd.org under the Government tab. We have a large population of elderly in our community, and it is this group of individuals that garner our immediate concerns for care and protection from the virus. In addition, people that have compromised health, including immune disorders and breathing issues, are at an elevated risk. I would urge these members of our community to use good judgment and limit their interaction with others by staying home whenever possible. This is a wise action and will not only be beneficial to address concerns over the coronavirus, but will also minimize exposure to other viruses that are present this time of year. To assist with ensuring our community members in these high-risk categories have what they need, Kroll's Market, working with volunteers from the community churches, have developed an at-home delivery program which will run Tuesdays through Saturdays. For more information, please call 574-2717. There is a lot of information out there from many sources. The Centers for Disease Control is a reliable resource that can answer questions you may have. More information is available at their website, www.cdc.gov/COVID-19. As always, I encourage you to continue practicing appropriate self-hygiene, which includes frequent hand washing and use of sanitizer. As a unified community, we will get through this challenging time. We must take proactive steps to help one another and not get caught up in hysteria. Together, we will meet the unique needs of our wonderful town. We will continue to be vigilant going forward as the dynamics of this virus evolve. We are Hill City Strong. Thank you, Mayor Cathy.